Welcome to the INC Monthly News Recap. Here are the key updates from the past month. On the tariff front, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down the tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, affecting a wide range of levies on nearly all U.S. trading partners. Trump then imposed a new 10% worldwide baseline tariff for 150 days and later said he would raise it to 15%. In the wake of the court decision, some countries are reassessing their bilateral trade deals with the U.S. The EU has paused parliamentary work on the EU-US trade deal, and India has postponed a trade delegation visit to Washington. In other tariff news, China will grant zero tariff treatment for goods from 53 African countries, and has also reduced import VAT on walnut oil from 13% to 9%. Meanwhile, Turkey has raised the tariff on imported walnuts from 15% to 20% and increased the additional financial responsibility tax on imported shelled almonds as well as in-shell and shelled walnuts. Finally, in shipping news, cargo ship traffic through the Strait of Hormuz has ground to a halt since the outbreak of hostilities in Iran in late February, raising the specter of broad supply chain disruptions. Major shipping lines have halted bookings, rerouted vessels via the Cape of Good Hope, and imposed war risk surcharges. In sustainability developments, the EU has established the first methodologies to certify permanent carbon dioxide removals under its carbon removals and carbon farming regulation. Meanwhile, the European Parliament has backed a strengthened EU climate law, proposing a binding 2040 target to cut net greenhouse gas emissions by 90% compared to 1990 levels. And in food safety news, the EU has raised the frequency of aflatoxin checks on Turkish pistachios and U.S. pistachios shipped via Turkey from 30% to 50%. And South Africa has set new maximum levels for aflatoxins in various nuts and dried fruit that will apply from February 2028. Moving on to nutrition news, a clinical trial found that daily peanut butter consumption may improve certain measures of physical function in older adults. And another study found that eating more nuts and legumes is associated with better sleep quality and longer sleep duration. Last but not least, May is just around the corner. Remember to register for the INC Congress in Macau and the China Immersive Industry Experience. And put your achievements in the spotlight and submit your application for the INC Sustainability or Innovation Award by March 27th. That wraps up this month's news recap. Thanks for watching and see you next month.